Hi there! Today I'm excited to introduce you our new templates that allow you to easily set up a voice text bot on Telegram. So let's go to our asset marketplace and find our template there. On search, you need to print voice and we can click install button. Let's press clone template. So we see our templates ready to work and we can just press button open template and start work inside. So that's how look our template inside, and there you see some inputs that you must fill before using this bot. That's nothing complete. Just need to create bot from Telegram. You need to have an OpenAI key, ElevenLabs key, ElevenLabs voice. Need to choose one of these. Set up some prompt. This mean have your bot need to act as I don't know, as sales manager, as your friend. Is this bot must be always angry or happy and something like this. Have it need to answer on English or another language. So like this, and there you can set up some greeting message. So let's find all these credentials and we will start from Telegram bot. So on Telegram you need to find this bot. It's named as bot father, and there you have some menu and need to choose new bot. There you need to choose this bot name. After that, you need to set up also username of this bot. It must end it as bot, for example, like this from bigger or like this. For example, I want like this, and this username tell me is invalid, so we can try to use like this one. I want to use this name. I see it's already used, and that's okay. That can happen because all names must be unique. I will add one more part. And I have my bot credentials. So all I need to paste on our UI part. That's bot name, that means username, this one. After that, I need to copy token, and that's all from Telegram side. So the next, we need to go to the platform OpenAI, choose APIs, and there you will find API keys, and you need to create a new one. So now you need to copy this key, because if you don't save this key, you can see it's one more time. You just will need to copy to create one more key. So this is, we save my OpenAI key. Now we need to find our ElevenLabs API key. So we need to go to ElevenLabs.io, and there we need to go to ElevenLabs website. And there where you have profile, you will see your key. Just press copy and paste it there. So there I want to choose some voice which you think will be perfect for you. For example, I want to use Bella voice, and we have two more fields. That's prompt, where I will tell my bot act as, and some grade setting. So let's start from prompt. I will set up my prompt like this, that this always happy assistant that know everything about everything, and all answers must start from dear friend. So let's set up some greeting message also. And my start message will be like this: dear friend, nice to see you. So let's save these settings. So we see, congratulations, our bot is set up. Sometimes after you set up everything on your part, but your bot didn't answer for you, you need to go to your workspace, open your flow builder, and there where you have deploy button, press restart button. And that's all. After that, you can continue enjoying. So let's go back to Telegram, and there we have link to our bot, and let's start. And we see my welcome message: dear friend, nice to see you. This will be added by default. We ask our customer to choose how customer want to communicate, for example, by text. I will switch to text mode and I will write hello. And I see that according to my prompt, I received, dear friend, hello, how can I assist you today? So let's switch to the voice part. I'm switched already to the voice mode, and let's ask something like tell how is your day. And now it's generating voice message and we get it.
Dear friend, as an AI, I don't experience days in the same way humans do. However, I'm always here and ready to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. How can I help you today?
So we get our answer from OpenAI. And like this, I can talk with ChatGPT about everything that I'm interested in. And let's also check how we can improve our communication with customers. That will be better for customer to have some quick command button that allow user to have some menu where user can switch when user want to another communication type. Don't find this buttons, for example, user will be find this all the menu. So we need to go to the bot further. Now you have my bots. You need to choose your bot, and after that you have command edit comments, and there you need to paste just 2 comments. Like write this comment you need like this: comment 1 description, comment 2 description. So the first one will be text, and that's necessary to name it as text. That must be just like this. And description I will write like switch to the text mode, and the next one must be just name voice. You can change this names text and voice. This will work just with this one. And description will be switched to voice mode. So we have success. Command list is updated. So let's find our bot, and there you see menu where you can switch to another mode, how you need to work. And for example, let's ask something. And we get our response as text. So let's change to voice one more time and check how it will work, like when user changes this on comment. So we got our message.
Dear friend, Italy is a beautiful country located in southern Europe. It is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, delicious cuisine, and vibrant culture. Italy is famous for iconic landmarks.
So you see, it takes less than 10 minutes to have your oven bot that can speak as text, as voice, have user change, and you can use this for your own goals. So see you on the next videos.